Hi, Crafty Fam. Today we're going to test the two Amazon craft kits. Welcome to my audio recording. My audio's not erupted, so you will hear this version. Now, what happened? So the first craft kit is felt food. And then a second craft kit we're doing in the stained glass lamp kit. Now it's time to unbox. Dun, 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 dun. No. What? And no. No. Open up stuff here. And it came with a hole. And and fun. And some pine oil. Loudnet. Wool. And tile. So here's the lamp that I am laying that question. And first we take the glue and we put it in a bowl and we mix it around. And then we're putting on the first few tiles and on the lamp, and that's all you see. So that's all I end up recording. So now that all the tiles are on, I make the ceiling cement glue into a bowl and I'm mixing it in. And now I am sweating. I'm taking the little paper they gave me and I am spreading it all around. And I'm taking some more that they gave me and putting it in deeper. And now you let the lamp lie overnight. And that's all you do for this project. It was a pretty simple project. But it took me forever to glue on every single tile. I wish they gave me a tool for that. But now, the second kit we are making is a felt food kit. And I made the basin off camera because it's already a long video and I didn't want to make it even longer. So what I did for the bacon, it gave me the pattern and I cut out the pattern and sewed it together and glue on the detail. And now I'm taking this white, now I'm laying the white felt down and draw the outline around the pattern. Here's what they look like. I traced it around and here's what they look like. And now I'm cutting the pattern around 2 times. And then instead of sewing it, I started to glue the 2 white pieces together. And now I left a little opening for the stuffing. And now I'm taking this yellow piece of felt and I'm cutting out a circle and out of the felt, and then I cut it and glued it on top. And that's something else. And I also made a piece of soap out of felt off camera, so I didn't want this to be a really long video. So here are the finished product and two outgrow SWAT woman. My two outgrow SWAT woman. So, I hope you enjoyed this very weird video. I lost my audio, so just doesn't hear me in the household and my voice recording. But here on the finished product, here in the little lantern product I made, I really enjoyed this thing is, I did one use the big one on bottom, so I use mine on top. But they definitely want you to use yours on the bottom and in the specific way. So if you use this shit, please do it this way. Do it across like this. Since I started doing it like this for 4th of July, yeah. So I had to break off the excess, but I still need to. But this is how my lamp turned out. And here is how my little bacon and egg turned out. If you enjoyed this crazy video, please give this video a big thumbs up. And comment below if you want more testing Amazon Flash product. And please hit that big red subscribe button if you enjoy DIY projects and lifestyle videos. Bye, Crafty Fam.